General of France, Monsieur François Dall'Orso, has opened an exposition of theses by graduating students of Professional Diploma in Photography here at the main art gallery of Alliance Française. Some 160 photographs by 9 graduating and 2 undergraduate students were displayed. 15 students were awarded diplomas on the occasion. Farheen Wasim, who received the Best Student Award, said,
I personally want to do fine arts photography as an artist, but let's see, I would like to teach also.
Recipient of Best Pupil of the Decade Award, Sana Sultan held,
मैं 5 साल से फोटोग्राफी कर रही हूँ और मैंने यहाँ पे जो डिप्लोमा किया उससे बहुत सीखा है.
Professor Rahmatullah Khan informed,
Today is the 25th batch of my diploma. I have a short courses and there's a lot of different courses we are conducting in photography.
Consul General of France, while talking to NewsPakistanTV, said,
I am very impressed by the quality and the diversity of those photographs taken by young photographers full of gift and talent, who have been able to devise very diverse, colorful and imaginative shots from every domain of the life, and especially from Karachi.